Python tips 1. Today's goal is to be able to create characteristics or attributes inside of lists, but the code on screen does not currently work with the Python interpreter. This is why I ventured into 2D arrays, as 2D arrays have more applications than 1D arrays do. What you see on screen now is what the code will look like. As you can see in the list above, we have different attributes such as speed, defense, and attack. They have different values next to them. That's great, but now we need a function to actually use this 2D array properly. This is a basic function here. The PS stands for player stats, and you have two input variables, character and stats. This is what the code will look like. We have Bob, his speed, defense, and attack 5, 6, 3. And we also print the function PS and the two variables Bob and speed.